Introduction. Big change, big power. Welcome back to Auto World. Today we're diving into the bold new chapter for the Suzuki SV650X, and the 2026 version has arrived. And believe me, it's not just a refresh. This one's got serious upgrades, more power, sharper styling, and a vibe that commands your attention. Get ready for eye-catching design, crash-worthy tech, and riding thrills on US streets. Design overhaul, eyes on me. From the first glance, the SV650X goes all in on style. The retro cafe racer silhouette is retained, but Suzuki has sharpened every line. The tank now bears the full Suzuki branding. The seat is tuck-and-roll comfort, and the minimal fairing gives it aggressive street presence. The cue is clear. This isn't your quiet commuter, this bike wants to be seen. Engine and performance, big power under control. Under the hood is 645cc 90-gram V-twin engine, liquid-cooled DOHC and loaded with character. Specs show 56.0 kilowatt, 76 HP at 8,500 RPM and 64 Nm of torque at 1,800 RPM. It's designed for serious punch from the mid-range and high rev capability too. The chassis is lightweight for its class, 198 kg curb weight in US spec, which means this power translates into real ride feel. If you want acceleration and agile handling in one package, this bike delivers. Handling and tech, trust me, it's solid. The 2026 SV650X steps up with twin-disc front brakes, ABS, a 14.5L fuel tank for wider range, and a lowish seat height, 790mm, making it approachable for lots of riders. Suspension is preload adjustable front and rear, so you can dial it in whether you're scooting around town or attacking fun back roads. Handling is confident. The clip-on style handlebars give that sporty lean-in feel, and the cafe racer aesthetics don't just look good, they enhance the experience. Crash factors and safety, instincts stay sharp. In the US market, safety matters and the SV650X doesn't slack. With ABS on board, high-quality braking hardware, and a chassis tuned for stability, you're getting a bike that not only wants to perform but also to reassure. The steel trellis frame and optimized geometry add confidence when pushing the envelope. If you're stepping up your game, you're not sacrificing safety. Final thoughts, ride ready in the USA. If you're watching this on Auto World and wondering whether the 2026 Suzuki SV650X is worth your time, the short answer, yes. It's a big change compared to earlier versions. Stronger engine, sharper looks, top-tier handling. For riders in the US wanting a middleweight, machine with premium feel and café racer soul, this could be your ticket. Thanks for tuning in to Auto World. Stay safe, ride hard, and I'll see you next time.